Hello, dear friends. Welcome to my channel. This is Fentola Onogoruwa, popularly called Coach FO. I'm a wellness entrepreneur and coach in the last 24 years. I became a wellness coach. I became interested in wellness after my mom's death. I nurtured her and I was exposed to what it means to be sick. And then I realized that most of these things can be prevented. So today, we will be looking at the prostate cancer. How can you prevent it naturally? Because it's about looking at and reviewing your lifestyle. So, what exactly is prostate cancer? The men, welcome. This is June. This month we're celebrating the fathers. And so, my interest, because there's an alarming statistics, the men are under so much stress and it's becoming alarming. A lot of them are breaking down, some are slumping. And that's why last week we spoke about hypertension. How do you manage that and prevent it? Because at Hayil Consult, we help you prevent ailments, manage ailments if you're already sick, and then avoid complications. So today we're looking at prostate cancer. Every man has the prostate glands. It's part of their reproductive and urinary tract organs. So as you grow, once you're clocking 40, the prostate gland begins to enlarge by itself. Meanwhile, this gland is very important in male functions. The sperm is produced from there. It has to flow in the seminal fluid. The urine also passes around there. So when this gland holds, when it enlarges, it compresses on the urethra. The urethra passes in front. So the prostate gland, which you will see it like it's in two, surrounds the urethra. So the problem comes when the prostate gland enlarges. That means that it is pressing on the urethra. The urethra is that tube through which urine will pass to come out. Is the same tube that will deliver the seminal fluid, which contains the semen during ejaculation in sex. So when the prostate gland enlarges, it frustrates the movement through the urethra, and so that movement becomes painful. So you need to understand the importance of the prostate gland, understand its location, understand how sensitive it is. No man wants to feel less of a man, but when the prostate issue comes, the man does not feel like a man anymore, because there are complications. There will be challenges in the bathroom because urination becomes difficult. There will also be challenges in the bedroom. Having sex, ejaculation becomes very painful. It can even be bloody. How do you now prevent? There are three things that can happen to the prostate gland. The first one is the prostatitis. That's the inflammation of the prostate gland. The second one is what we call the BPH, the benign prostate hypertrophy, just enlarges. Usually in the hospital, they have to do surgery to remove or reduce that growth. And the third one, which is worst, is the prostate cancer. So how do you manage that? As of today, nobody can really explain to you the causes of cancer. Neither is there a particular treatment for cancer. What is being done is more like guesswork. It works for some people, it does not work for some people. But I tell you, prevention is better than cure. Let's look at the lifestyle adjustments that we need to begin to. Understanding prostate cancer, I've tried to explain that. Knowledge, gives you an advantage. Don't be destroyed because of ignorance. A man does painful ejaculation, but he takes it for granted. He is not bothered to look into it, what is the cause. Don't. You want to urinate, the urination becomes slow, the urine is not coming out, it becomes painful. Please visit your doctor. Let them do the test for you to get early diagnosis. Don't assume nothing is wrong, especially once you are over 40. These days we're having guys in their 20s with these issues. It was not so before. It's because of the lifestyle changes that are not healthy. Go back to the drawing board. How do you want to live your life? Who do you want to become in the next 5, 10 years? I always tell people that at 60, will you remain an asset or you will become a liability? The way you live during your active years will determine your retirement years. If you lose your health, honestly, you have lost everything, no matter the amount of money you have. So please go back to the drawing board. The lifestyle you are living now, is it towards good health or the other way around? Subscribe to my channel, tell other people about it, and I'll see you in our next video. Thank you and God bless.